Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 14th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So otherwise, the euro yen pretty much is continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, as you can see. If we take a quick look at the daily time frame, which I think is extremely important, there's a very good likelihood that this is a 1, this is an ABC of 2, and that we're now in a wave 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is likely a wave C of wave B, which would likely end up playing out something like this. Now we don't know that that is the case, and if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, that is why I have my Fibonacci extension from here projected off of here, because I would always label this as either an A or 1. I would label this as either a B or 2. Then I would allow the market to tell me whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C. If it really is a wave C, then the 100%, maybe the 123 would be a really likely area for this to break structure to the downside. If I do see that break to the downside, then I would definitely start looking for shorts again. On the other hand, if the market tells me it's a really a wave 3, then what it will do is it will go up to a fib level, bounce, not break structure, bounce, not break structure, and it will continue this high, low, high, low, high, low series for the wave 3. So either scenario, I would definitely still be recommending longs. If it really is a wave C, just keep an eye on those fib extension levels for a break of structure. If you do see that break of structure, it should prove that it really is a wave C. Then you can stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. But until that happens, or even if it doesn't happen, I would continue to be very, very bullish. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.